haven't. The Houston Police Department in over 3 years has not even assigned an investigator yet to any of my cases. I've been dealing with the Office of Attorney General, and they have encouraged me to call you guys, and I've called you guys several times last year, this year.
Yeah, but that's the problem. All charges have to stem from an agency.
Okay.
We don't accept charges from the victims at all.
Okay, well, I need your help. So at this point, I've been stalked, harassed, shot at. A lot of things have happened to me, and it's very odd that no one has any lead to try to help me or any intention. And I understand what you're saying, but what can I do when the Office of Attorney General is telling me to call you directly because the Houston Police Department...
Everyone tells everybody to call here, ma'am. That's just, we get that from everybody. So
okay, so
there's nothing I can tell you other than whoever's working this case.
But okay,
you're going to have to go up the chain there at HPD if that's who's handling this
I've
case.
I've done that. And
that's all you can do. There is nothing we can make them do.
Okay,
they don't work for us. These are things that you have to go up the step of the ladder there at HPD.
Okay, so ma'am, can you just hear me out right now? Because I'm telling you that they have not done anything in 3 years. I've went up the chain. I've spoken to the city council. I've spoken with the HPD liaison. Nothing has happened.
But there has to be a reason. Either they don't have enough leads, they don't have enough information, they don't have enough on this whatever suspects they have. Ma'am, these are questions that have to be addressed to them. And there's nothing we can do to override that.
Okay, ma'am. I've turned over evidence. Evidence.
These have to be addressed to them, ma'am. There's nothing else I can help you with here if there is no open case already filed with our office.
Okay.
There's not going to be a victim assistance coordinator assigned to you until a case is filed.
I understand that. And I really want you to understand that I'm a victim, and I don't know how.
I understand that, ma'am.
No. Ma'am, you're cutting me off.
Proper protocol.
But ma'am, you don't have to cut me off, and I would appreciate if you could speak with some compassion. And maybe you've been desensitized.
Ma'am, I have a lot of compassion. What I'm trying to tell you, ma'am, there is nothing we can do. I understand your problem. I've been here many years. I understand.
Okay.
But there's nothing we can override with HPD.
I didn't ask you to override anything.
Regarding the investigation.
I didn't ask you to override anything.
Evidence you provided. All this has to be addressed to their chiefs, their supervisors, their lieutenants.
Okay, so ma'am,
so they have to be able to explain something to you of what's the delay, what else are they needing, do they have any suspects in line? Those are questions that have to be addressed to them.
Okay, so ma'am, I'm telling you verbatim that they're not doing their job. And from what I was told, and this is indeed the Harris County District Attorney's Office, am I correct?
That is correct.
Okay, so if I'm being told that I need to contact your office to get assistance.
I said, everyone tells everybody to call here. And then sadly, we have to be the bad guys to tell you we can't do anything until a charge has been filed.
Okay, so with that being said, is it pretty much going to be a standard procedure when I'm dead?
Ma'am, please do not ask me such a question.
I'm gonna ask you that.
I cannot file a charge for you.
I'm asking you for help. There has to be
please don't state that.
I'm stating that because I don't appreciate, ma'am, no, you're treating me as if I'm a criminal. Yes, you are. Of course, because of the fact that you're lacking accountability right now. No, I've done all of that. I'm asking, who can I talk to investigate why the Houston Police Department isn't doing their job? There has to be someone. Okay, so who holds the Houston Police Department accountable then?
The chief of police. You try to get.
I've already called the chief of police. So who else keeps him accountable? Okay, so I've done all that. So now that I'm telling you all that,
ma'am, I don't know what else to do. You have a blessed day because I'm done. I already told you what you need to do.
Okay, and what's your name? What's your name? This is how the Harris County District Attorney's Office talks to victims that are needing help, that have been told, and also they're here on the website where it says the training is also provided to victim advocates, criminal justice professionals, victim service providers on victim-related programs administered by the Office of Attorney General. Okay? Now, the sad part about this whole conversation, the sad part about this entire process that I'm going through is that I could be dead and they would do nothing. What they don't know is that I have information where their office has refused to accept charges with proof. This is what's happening. This is what's happening in the Houston Police Department. This is what's happening with the office of the district attorney's office, which is supposed to help victims. They're the ones that, if you have an issue, from what I was told, they do the investigation. I need your help. Someone please help me before it's too late.